Here's a business development idea that came from a producer who uses WorkCompare.com. So you've seen our news blast where we announce a rate change, right? This carrier's new rates are becoming effective on May 1st. Did you know that in this table we choose class codes that the carrier actually writes? You can see rates for some policyholders are going up and some are going down, and that's the business development idea. Why not use this article to start a conversation with a prospect or a client? For example, any painting contractor who is currently with this carrier needs to be expecting a rate increase. The base rates at renewal will be higher than their current policy. So why not send them this article? Point out that rates are increasing even though coverage is staying the same, and ask if they've considered other options. It works the other way too. It looks like this carrier would be a great option for a landscaper. Find a prospect that would benefit from switching and send them an email as well. Offer to help them get a quote. So what do you think of this idea? Could it help you start some new conversations? Let us know if you have questions, and let us know how you use WorkCompare.com. We're always looking for new ideas to share with our community.